Hey guys, Chef John here again. Today we're going to be cleaning our Taylor grill. The first thing you do is hit the clean button and it brings it down to the specific temperature. It takes about 25 minutes. So I already did that. The first thing we're going to be doing now is getting our sanitized water and rag and wiping down our Teflon sheets. All right, now that I've wiped them all down, we're going to remove them and set them on a dry surface, flat surface. To remove your top clips, it's very simple. Pull it down, move one, lift right up. Move this off to the side, and you'll grab your one simple bar, lift off of the clips, and hit raise. And once again, it's off. All right, now that we've cleaned our Teflon sheets and put them on our flat surface, we're gonna start cleaning our bottom. First thing we're gonna do is come through with this, scrape off any extra debris that's on there. All right, now once we've scraped all the stuff off the bottom, we'll just come through with our squeegee and go right into the grease traps, whatever's left. All right, now that we got our bottom clean, we're gonna check our grease traps here. And these slide right out, and we're just checking to see how full they are. Right now mine's not super full, so I do not need to take it out. All right, now that we got our surfaces all wiped off of everything, we're gonna get ready to clean. We're gonna get 2 ounces of our Stereocene high temp non-caustic grill cleaner. And it's really easy, you just squeeze on it until you get to the 2 ounces. At this point, we're going to take our angle brush and pour it right on it over the grill. Now we're going to take it and get it all along the sides and backs of our grill here. Some more on here. So you're getting back on your joints. All right, now we're done. I've used this brush to get up and around and behind everything. We're gonna switch over to our grill brush. Once again, we're gonna use 2 ounces of our Stereocene grill cleaner. All right, once we have our 2 ounces again, we're gonna pour some of it on our pad to directly help us clean. Start here. All right, so I've cleaned this whole top here with our top area with our blue brush here. Now I'm going to come in with the sanitized rag and wipe everything down. Alright, so this is all clean up here now. I just got done scrubbing the bottom here. After we're done with that, we're going to get our nice little scraper and just come through and squeegee all of this off. After I've wiped off all the excess grease off of this, I'm going to come through and wipe it down with a sanitizer.
Excellent.
Alright, and then one of our last steps is we're going to make sure to wipe off all our screens down here. Take a little of your sanitized water, rag. Alright, now that we've got this almost all the way clean, you can go ahead and turn off your power and then go through and wipe off your screens with some sanitized water. Alright, now our grill's clean. The one last step is to make sure that you oil your cooking surface. Get a little oil. And that will prevent any rusting from happening. Alright, now that our grills are clean, our final step is to make sure that our release sheets are spotless. So I got some sanitized water here. We're just going to go through and make sure that there's nothing stuck on top of these, making sure there's no holes or anything like that. You want to do this on a flat surface, you can do it on here or put it on your grill, whatever is easiest for you. But you want to look at that, no holes through it. Then you want to just leave it to dry overnight.